Hello, fast trackers, and welcome to your third and final checklist, which will help you to book your life in the UK test. My name is Rahul Ghazni, Managing Director of Fast Track Training. With Fast Track Training, we've been teaching students for over 11 years how to become British. We're the #1 in the United Kingdom. We help students pass their exams as fast as one day, fast as a couple of hours. We know how to get things done quite quickly. As the name suggests, Fast Track Training is very, very quick. We also provide all these other courses as well to help students. But today is the day I'm going to show you how to get this. All right, so I'm going to begin by going to Google. I'm just going to put in Google. Now, here's the thing that I want you to see here, guys. You see where it says sponsored, right? These sponsors are not the real booking exam. These are like companies that charge you a little bit extra to book the test. It does look similar, but there's an easy way of remembering it. It doesn't have the official life in the UK. When you book it, it costs a lot more money. This is how they do it. But it's fine. If you need a booking service, Fast Track Training provides a booking service for all the students, but only if you've paid and you've registered for your classes, we do it for you. This is the Book the Life in the UK. It's gov.uk. You want to look for this is a sponsored link, so they've paid money to go on the top of Google. Nothing wrong with paying someone to book your test for you, but you need to know if that's what you want. Exam costs 50 quid. It costs 75 when you book it through them, but that's fine. It's whatever you think is best. So this is the gov. Now, when you're on the website, you can see here there's a green button that says start now, and then it says book your life in the UK test. That's brilliant. So now you haven't created an account. If you have created an account, you can just put in the username and password and get logged in. But I'm going to register one. So here we go. Let's register. Let's register one now. Here we go. All right. Just going to get my keyboard out. Hello. Fast Track Life UK. Hello at Fast Track Life UK. And my password is always Pakistan Zindabad. No, I'm joking. I have a password that helps me remember things. Although, actually, you know what's interesting? You need to, with this password, it needs to have one of these letters at the end. It needs to be one letter needs to be capital and one letter needs to be lowercase. If you do not do and add a lowercase, an uppercase, and one of these special characters, it will not allow you to. So I've just made the password and I've added like an exclamation point at the end or an @ sign. So that's done. Password's here.
To watch this full exclusive bonus content for free, follow these quick steps. On YouTube, search Fast Track Training and click on the channel. Then click on the inquiry link and it will take you to the free bonus video page. Or you can click on any video of Fast Track on YouTube and in the description section, you'll find the inquiry link. Click on it and it will take you to the free bonus video page. On TikTok, search Fast Track Life and click on the channel. Then click on the inquiry link and it will take you to the free bonus video page. Fill in the required details, then click the button below. Watch your 10 bonus videos to pass your life in the UK test fast. If you'd like a teacher's help, scroll to the bottom and WhatsApp us today on 079 132 563 87 or call our offices on 011 5654 7979. We can help you pass in 30 days online, 7 to 14 days, one-to-one with a teacher, or in 1 day, face-to-face in our VIP classes. Contact us today and secure your future with Fast Track Training, worldwide learning and tuition.